So here's the relay that connects to the fuse box, and that's one thing I want to know if it's still working or not. So I have to check on this later. Okay, so let me move further. Here is the connection. That's a bad burn, but it's still working, so just need to be replaced with a new one. Anyway, this connection is the one that is connected into the main power source, and that goes through the fuse box, I don't know, I guess. And this connection connects directly to the switch, the ignition switch, which I have removed to find out if it's the one that is defective. Unfortunately, it's not. So when I check for continuity, if the current is flowing in each node here, there are 4 nodes. Everything reads 12 and 12.5. That's a good reading, I think. So I guess there's really something going on here. So this is the connection that I've removed. There are 5 pins, but this one doesn't get to anything. I think it's a ground, and so when I attach it here and try to hotwire, I should be getting at least a response from the dashboard, some lights, and whatever we supposed to see. Unfortunately, nothing, absolutely nothing. Now, if you have seen my video about how I crank the engine, it makes me wonder, where is this culprit? I wish to find out.